one thing we understand is that the senator actually vowed to take legal action on this, by consulting with a legal team. I'm asking, is there an update on this?
Oh, to that extent, I mean, we've actually filed an appeal on our end, challenging the part of the decision that we consider to be unfavorable to the interest of our clients, to the extent particularly the one that deals with the content that the court actually found the senator in contempt of the orders of the courts, particularly with respect to the fact that she made a satirical apology while the matter was subsisting. So that is the part of the judgment that we've actually concentrated on to actually appeal against that finding, because if you look at the context of the orders that the court made with that respect, it is actually punitive in nature because it is quasi-criminal, and the court has proceeded to actually issue a fine in that respect. So it is very important that the senator actually goes to the Court of Appeal to actually clear her name to that extent, because the findings of the court were not born out of a place of fair hearing, because once anything that has to do with a criminal allegation, you have to give the person a right to a fair hearing. But in this case, that was not done. And that is particularly one of the grounds that we're trying to challenge at the Court of Appeal, that the requisite forms were not issued when it comes to the issue of contempt. The forms 48, 49 were not issued. The senator was not asked to purge herself to actually give a proper explanation of what she understands by the configuration of the orders of the court. So to that extent, we're challenging the orders of the court.
Talking about the evidence, on this matter that the senator said she has, some Nigerians, who have been following this are pretty much interested as to when or how soon she would release this evidence.
When it comes to issues of law, the evidence is not to be put forth in public. The evidence is supposed to be presented in court to actually allow the court to look at the issues dispassionately and arrive at a just decision. So at the appropriate time, the evidence will be presented in court. The court will decide one way or another. So this is just to tell the public who are expecting her to come to the public with whatever form of evidence that she has. No, it is not a court of public opinion. She is actually going to present the evidence in court at the appropriate time, and the public will know of how things will go from there. Thank you.